Hi, I'm Sebastian. This is lesson 18. I'm doing my group meeting quiz. I'm using my phone. I have some troubles with YouTube. But okay. So for the first and second question, is true, obviously. For the next one, use the data in the table to find P1, P hat 1. My answer is 0.743. For question 4, to find P hat 2, my answer is 0.712. For the next one, I would say that the the appropriate set of hypotheses is the first one. For my question number 6, I have to create a 95% confidence interval. So my answer is 0.021. For the question number 7, my answer is 0.54. The lower bound is negative 0.123. For number 9, my answer is 0.185. For number 10, according with the information, I will say that I will fail to reject for number 10, so it's the first one. For the next one, which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study? I will say that there is insufficient evidence, which is the last one. For the next one, I will use some information for the next 9 questions. So, according with the data, the condition for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied, which is true. And then another set of hypotheses, I would say that is the last one. Is less P1 is less than P2. For number 14, I would say that my answer is 0.141. For number 15, 0.145, if I'm alright. For the next one, which is number 16, the C score is negative 2.020. And then, given the C score from the last question, I will say that the best one is to the left, so it's the first one. For question 18, my answer is 0.022. According to what is the p-value for this test is 0.022. So the number 19, what is the decision for this test? I would say that I would reject the null hypothesis. And the last one, which of the following best summarizes the conclusion of this test? I will say the third one. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die is less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on the weekend who die. So this is pretty much about the lesson 18. Thank you so much, guys.